In this episode, I'll be teaching you how I got this image looking from this to this. Alright, let's get started. I have already done the selection and also placed the background behind the muse. For those of you who will be needing the backdrop and the PNG file, that will be added in the description below. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment what you think about the video, and also subscribe. My object selection tool didn't really do a nice job, so what I'm actually doing at the moment is I am filling up those gaps in the subject. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I created a reflection since our backdrop, if you can see on the floor of our backdrop, it reflects. So I had to create a reflection of the muse, and this was how I created it. There was more like a border at the edge of our subject, so I had to use the eraser to clean. Down the layer, I created a mask, then used the gradient to fade it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this, and let me know what you think about the video in the comment section. Mind you, all files used in this process will be added in the description below. from the backdrop, the PSD file. So what I did there on the face was to match the face to the other part of it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. This teddy bear too will be added in the description. Now I'll be doing the same, creating reflections in the teddy. Okay. So you see, I have to do what? Adjust the backdrop more. Follow the process, guys. Subscribe to my channel. I was going through the overlays, the blend mode, to see which fits. What I was looking at there was contrast, which gives me the feel, the look I am searching for. Now what I did here was to clean the edges. That was what I did, and crop to my desired size. And that is it, guys. That is it.